Description: a deeply nourishing conditioner that helps to repair, strengthen, and protect, immediately and over time. Benefits: repairs even the most damaged hair, improves hair health and look, softens, adds shine. Suggested use: apply Bad Bougie Shampoo, sold separately, and rinse. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Categories: smoothing, your smoothest, healthiest hair. Volume plus texture. Buildable volume that moves with you. Touchable texture plus windswept waves. All in one. What hair dreams are made of: lightweight, hydration, softness and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Use IGK. Switched from Bumble and Bumble after 5 years because I felt like the products weren't working as well for me. Very satisfied with IGK. The smell is delicious and my hair is so shiny and silky.